How to turn on or turn off active status on your Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on or turn off your active status on your Facebook. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Facebook. Now after you open up your Facebook, you will notice this messenger icon on the top right. Head over there. After you're here, you will see the three dots right below the messenger icon. Tap on the options. Now after you tap on it, if you check this options out, you will notice the active status. Now all you need to do to turn it off is tap on it. And here you will see different options. Now you can just turn it off completely, or if you just want to make it on for someone and make it off for some, you can just edit it from here. And that is basically how you do it, guys. If you just want to turn it off, you can save it like this. Now if you want to turn it back on again, head over to options, head over to active status and turn it back on again. So that is how you can turn on or turn off your active status on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.